But what I'm doing is just sectioning off my hair, parting small blocks, and plaiting my hair down. And this is their Burmese curly, 18 inches.
The music scene is a kaleidoscope of sound with genres so diverse.
Alright girl, so here is what we're looking like. This is my hair finished. I'm just going to section some areas off and take some of this hair out. You press your recto right here. You find the little loop and just pull it out. Oh, this looks so much better. And then you can just like flip it. Oh, this is it right here. Oh my gosh. I just feel like it looks so good. And of course you can do like different styles. You can do your half up, half down. Take like 2 pieces and put a banana clip like this. Easy, easy, easy. But I'll see you guys later.